Today we're looking at the 220-volt wire size interactive calculator, an essential tool for electrical engineers designing power distribution systems. This calculator solves the critical problem of determining proper wire sizing to prevent voltage drop, overheating, and power loss in 220-volt circuit. Let's explore the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode. The drop-down offers 5 options. Calculate required wire size in AWG. Calculate voltage drop for given wire size. Calculate maximum circuit length. Calculate maximum safe current, and calculate power loss in wire. For this demonstration, we'll use calculate required wire size. Next, enter your load current in amperes. Then input your one-way circuit length in feet. The system voltage defaults to 220 volts but can be adjusted. Set your max voltage drop percentage, typically 3% for branch circuits. Choose your conductor material, either copper or aluminum. The wire size drop-down ranges from 14 AWG down to 40 AWG. Finally, enter your operating temperature in Celsius, which affects conductor resistance. Let's work through an example. Say we're sizing wire for a 30-amp welder located 150 feet from the panel. Enter 30 for load current, 150 for one-way circuit length. Keep system voltage at 220. Set max voltage drop to 3%. Select copper as the conductor material, and enter 30 for operating temperature. Click Calculate Results. The calculator determines you need 6 AWG copper wire to maintain voltage drop under 3%. It also shows actual voltage drop, power loss in watts, and efficiency percentage. Remember, always account for derating factors based on ambient temperature and conduit fill when making final wire selections. Find the link in the description below.